if I have to talk about the CPQ, so CPQ is something that is like a life-changing thing for the sales department that is currently being like we have for every product-based company, we have a sales department, right? Like we need to sell our products to the customer at the end, and to make that process, the sales life cycle hassle-free, we need CPQ. CPQ just automate everything that we need to do for the sales process. And if I talk about the automation here, like we all know that if we are going to buy anything, we get a quote. Suppose you are going to buy a car or bike, you must get quote from the company stating like the features and the products and regarding the product prices, everything. Okay, so in that scenario, what happens to get the customer at the end, we do not want any customer to lose our business, right? Like they should not be satisfied with the presentation we made or anything. So for that we need a smart code, right? And smart code is completely built by the CPQ. The Salesforce CPQ enables us to build a smart code that we can share with the customer to get the deal final. Okay, so everything we do in Salesforce CPQ just to create a quoting, prospecting that we say in the process of sales in terms of Salesforce. Like so anyway, if you like. We know that in any other project other than CPQ, if we work, we have some functionality, different functionality, and the application works on that. But in CPQ, for any company, if anyone is selling anything, they have the same functional flow, that is quote to cash. Okay, so if I talk about quote to cash, so what is quote to cash? Like suppose we have a okay, we have a lead, like this person can purchase something. Okay, and I am selling like laptops. So I got a lead that anyone is looking for suppose 10 laptops or anything. Then I want this lead to convert into the I will create opportunity for that lead, and then I will follow all the opportunity process just to close that deal. Okay, after opportunity we have uh, like if you go to the data model of CPQ, we have opportunity, and tagged with that we have quote line items, orders, invoice line items, and so many other things, related objects that helps in a collaborative manner to build a quote or present to the customer. Okay, so after opportunity, we move to the quoting process. We create quote for that. Okay, so if I say like in CPQ, let me open this slide. So, okay, so CPQ, here we have CP and Q. What does this mean? Configure, pricing, and then quoting. So first of all, we should if I am going to sell a laptop to a customer, I should keep in mind that I am selling the right product to the customer. Okay, I should not sell like with Apple MacBook laptop. I should not sell the Windows charger, right? Or Windows processor. The things should be in coherence. Okay, for that we should go with the right product selection. We should this functionality is enabled us in CPQ, that is called guided selling. Like I am a sales rep and I'm going to add some product for on a quote to sell. So what I will do, I will configure products and add products for that. That is called configure. If I have to show you this, let me open my, this is our app. So I'm in the next slides, I'm going to tell you like what are all the initial setup we need to run. We cannot develop things related to CPQ in the normal dev what we have. We have to create a Salesforce CPQ package installed or and do some initial setup just to move on. Currently, I'm going to make you understand what is configure in CPQ. Okay, so for that, I'm going to open any quote. Suppose I have this quote, and when you create a dev org, we get everything, like there is number of quotes and price rules and summary variables, everything they're present into the system just for the hands-on. Okay, so I'm going here and I will click on edit lines. Okay, when I create on edit lines, a page will open up. Okay, this page is called quote line editor. Okay, and what I will do, I will add products. When I click on add, a page will open for product selections. See, here we have a product selection page from where we can choose any product. In CPQ, we have functionality like suppose we have different departments in our organization. Some department in which salesperson is selling only laptops, and in some there is a mobile phone department is different, and there is some other electronic appliances department. So we can customize this search result page based upon the role of the user. So this functionality is also achievable in the Salesforce CPQ, so that the sales rep should not do mistake or add any unwanted product on the code. Okay, so I will search for laptop and I go with 15-inch laptop. Okay, I will click on this checkbox, and here we have select and add more. What it will do, if I click on select, I will redirect to the configurator page, and if I click on select and add more, I will I will again land up to the selection page, like in the product selection. Like we can add multiple products on the code, but at the same time I can sell many more products to the customer. So for now I'm going with select to show you the configurator page, the C part of the CPQ. So this is the configure product page we have. And what is happening here, if you are seeing, there is a laptop and there is processor, memory and storage. What are all these things? Why it is coming like this? Like why don't the product is directly added to the code? This is because we have this features processor. We have created features, memory and storage. You can say like these are also individual products. Like CPQ is also individual product, memory is also individual product, and storage is also individual product. And what we have done, we have combined everything together to make a bundle of laptop, because we cannot sell only laptop. We sell CPU also, we sell memory also, and we sell the storage also. Okay, so these things, memory, processor and storage, what you are seeing, these are called features that we will learn in the later part of the lectures, like how we can create processor and how we can combine, like put all these products into this, and how we can make like a selection this kind of selection into that. So currently I have this and all the default quantity I have selected. So I will save with this. You can see like a bundle product is added onto my system. Okay, here you can see we have the price of the laptop and the product prices is included into that. Okay, included, and they're not charging it separately because they are charging at the bundle level. So this is something in Salesforce CPQ that we have bundle, because we sometimes sell standalone products and sometimes we sell products in a bundle. So this was something, a configuration part, like how we add product and how we do this. So for the configuration, we have product rules and different many things that helps us selecting the right products for the customer. So this way we can, so configure part is must be clear to the every. Okay, okay.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Okay, okay. So this was something that I was talking about, the configuration part. Now we have the P in the CPQ, what it means, pricing. So yeah, we have selected products. Now we are good with it. Now, suppose you have some customer who is again purchasing with you. Okay. And you have some offer running into your company for now. Okay. And you have to offer some discounts. Yes, anyone is speaking anything?
Yeah, formalizing current prices also they are mentioned, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah, they I mean to like the current prices also they are formalizing the pricing like that.
Yes, like if I have to talk about the pricing, we have like for every product, we define some price, like standard price, and we create
Like
price book entries for
set up
that.
direct
Yeah. And after that, we have there is a price waterfall that we need to keep in mind. This is crucial thing that we have in CPQ. If you talk about any other application, we have automation tools like workflow and process builder and triggers, right? But in CPQ, you can do so many things with the help of price rules. Okay. And price rule runs on the price that we defined for the products. Okay. And
Yeah,
for
okay.
products, yeah. If I go deep into the price rule, like there is so many things to define in price rule. Like first of all, I have to tell you what are all the events for that with respect to the price rules, and then we have the price waterfall model, or everything that, like how list price, regular price, how customer price, and how partner price, what are all these things and how they flow. And there are a lot many things like how to create price rules, so these things. But currently I am making you understand, like after configure, we move on to the price part, where we can, if you see here, like I have added one thing into my code edit lines.
Ma'am,
So
can I
here
ask?
we, yeah, here we have additional discount kind of fields. So this, by applying this, we can apply some additional discount onto the system. So this will affect the overall price. Okay, at what level we are applying discount. So these
Yeah,
things, you are asking something.
yeah, I have asked something, ma'am. Already I
Uh-huh.
have the account in Salesforce. Already I have to created previous.
Mm-hmm.
Is any separate? I'll create the new one, or that is enough? That is enough, I think. That's why.
If you have, then that is enough, because I wanted, because I thought you people are new and haven't have not created that org, so that's why I was asking for that. If the org is there, then it is okay, fine, no
Yeah, okay,
issues.
ma'am. I have already two accounts is there. That's why I'm asking this.
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
fine. So this is something about prices. And lastly, we have quoting. So quoting does not ends like we have created a added product and prices, and then stop. But at the end, we present customer a PDF document, right? A generated document kind of things, like we have seen in uh, there, like there is a company logo over on the top, and there we have line items. Line items are the products that we add on the quote. Okay.
Yeah,
So
okay, ma'am.
yeah. So if I add so many products here, all these things will be appear on the the generated document we have, and we can decide like what fields we need to show. Okay, on the code, because we do not want customer to see everything, but like we can show them the product code, product name, quantity they are purchasing, and the net total, right? We can
Yeah,
yeah. So these things are something that we can give them. And also there are, in products we have if I have to talk about products, one more thing that I have left, I think that is required to know. So we have two kinds of products in Salesforce. Anyway, in general life also we have two kinds of products. One that is subscription based, and one that is normal products. Okay, subscription based, if I am saying, then it is like the Netflix account subscription we take, or the Prime account, and some things like mobile we purchase. Okay, so here mobile is a asset for us. We have to pay it for one time and we are done with that. But if I have to pay, if I have taken Netflix or Prime, we need to renew it time to
Mm,
time, yearly
It's
or
called
something.
it's called managed services types, right?
Managed service, it depends on different companies, yes. I have seen that you are telling, right? Like there are products that we can name it differently, but how we can identify this product is subscription product and this is not subscription product. So
Yes.
this, for this, we have in CPQ like subscription pricing info section for the products. Like if I click on this, see subscription pricing, okay, and subscription term. these two fields define like if this product is subscription or not. Here we have no value in it. It means laptop is, anyway we know laptop is not a subscription product. It is something that like converted into asset after we get it. We pay it for one time. And also there are like things. After code document, I will tell you some features of the CPQ that we generally use and that is very genuine to use in the uh, process of sales, that makes our life easy, and so that CPQ is for us. Okay, so after like in code document section, I was talking about the code. I haven't configured yet code document, but later in part, if we study, I will tell you like how we can create code template, section, and content, and how we can club them together to make a make a presentable code document that we can present to the customer. And after that, we have also we need to get that document signed from the end user and also from our VPs or RVPs. And this means that suppose I am a sales rep and I have given some discount to the customer. Okay, so I don't have much authority to do this, but if I have given this, I need to get approved uh, from the VPs or RVPs. So for that, in CPQ, we have advance approval, right? And advance approval is way more different than the normal approval process we have in Salesforce. It has number of we can what advance approval give us, like at the same time we can send approval to different teams, and we do not have to wait like for one team to approve and then we can send it to another team. Okay, so this is something that is approval uh, advanced approval enables us. And also one more good feature in advanced approval is that suppose I have submitted code with 1000 net amount. Okay, and my RVP just approved it. Next time if I'm giving him a code of 900 on, I have done some changes on the same code product, and now the amount is 900. So this time the approval will not go to him because he already has approved the highest amount. This is called smart approval that we have in advanced approval. Okay, so these things are there. There are couple of things that we have in CPQ. Also, for the products, like I can create this for for this laptop. I can make like I can suppose any customer wants to pay this in EMIs or in installment. How we can do this? Right now, when I added this product on the code, the amount was like directly it was printing like okay $1,500 and this is the amount. But I want this laptop to be sold in 3 phases. So how to do this? So for that, on product, we have price dimensions. Okay, so if I create a price dimension here, that will result into that will just simply break down the price depending upon the time that I have created. Okay, suppose I want, sorry, it is not coming because this is bundle product and I haven't done it for these things. Okay, so that's why it should be standalone product right here to get that prices segmented. So what I was talking about, if I add a price dimension, it will show like and I have to, if I give it the year like 3 years or anything, so the prices will show in 3 phases, like 50, it will break down prices in 3 parts. Okay, so this way it do like it, if it is $1,500, then 500, 500, and 500. This way it should appear. But okay,